Last-minute primping, hairstyling, and wardrobe adjustments are all business as usual in the high-paced world of fashion, and the ladies certainly felt the pressure.
The runway challenge that was by the poolside was a wild card. That was a complete wild card that was given to us by nature. It started raining and we had to strut in the rain. Amazing. And we did it.
Cool runway challenge. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
The runway challenge, my absolute favorite. I loved it so much and I was so excited to just do my thing and strut my stuff on that catwalk.
Miss South Africa, inspire a nation. Miss South Africa 2014, proudly sponsored by Cell C.